Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. I apologize for this not being live tonight, but I walked in the rain Monday. I went to the doctor's Wednesday. My feet are hurting. My knees are hurting. My eyes are hurting. I need rest. I'll be going to AlienCon Saturday and Sunday. So I'm really not in any shape to do live videos. And then Kathy just called and started reminiscing about the ancient days. And I said, you interrupted my video and then I need to go to sleep. I've been trying to sleep all afternoon and all evening, so I'm really tired. In any event, there is the new glass globe. And unfortunately, the small light that I would have liked to put in there, the light, not the small light, the base of the LED light is too big. So I had to put the green light in it. And the globe is way too small than the big one, but it's the same coloration as the small one on the bottom, which is, hold on, there. So, it's very nice, but I'll have to find another bulb for the top. And I've duct taped the top so it stays in there, because the big ring that was designed for a glass globe that's probably 13 or 14 inches wide with a very big diameter hole. But it's still a very nice lamp. And to those who don't like bright lights, I'm sorry, but that came in a very big box, and I said, what is this? And it was packed really, really well, so I don't want it to break. The only one I could find on eBay. All right, have a good night. I'm going to go get my iPhone repaired. It needs new battery, so at least I have something to film with at UFOCon. And I put eye drops, my eyes are on fire, so I'm not up to doing anything other than trying to go to sleep. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I will catch you next time. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye for now.